last days and the ground is pretty wet. And now it's pretty late, so I don't have a lot of time anymore to set up the camp. And I decided to set up the camp here. And this is what I have for 2 people. 2 sleeping bags, 1 tarp and 1 insulation mat. So a pretty small pack. I also have this poncho, and this is going to be the ground layer, the ground top, because yeah, the ground is so wet. It has rained so much. Today I got a couple of new items. First off, I got the DD hammock top, and it's in camouflage color, so I really like that. And this is an awesome top for 2 people. You can use these waterproof bags in the night as a pillow. You just close them with a little bit of air at the inside. And then you have your pillow. It's not the most comfortable one, but hey, it's going to work for the wilderness, right? This is some good firewood. It was hanging there, it's bone dry, and it's long dead, so that's going to burn. This log here is going to be my seat. Bushcraft bench. Okay, that's better than nothing. Some water. Today I'm going to use a small stove for cooking. I don't want to make a big campfire, so that's why I have brought the stove today. So I try to take dead branches for the firewood. This is hazel, makes okay firewood. It's pretty soft, so it's not going to last forever, but it's actually not too bad. I really like the color of my new top. It blends in very well. Pretty cool. Awesome for stealth camping. I don't know about you guys, but I think that rivers have something magical. That's my favorite place to stay in the wilderness. Now it's time for the chili con carne. Now I'm really glad that I brought a pan, because usually you could, warm it up over the fire with the tin can. But this one here is lined at the inside, so it has this white plastic liner. And yeah, you really should not heat up the tin can with this plastic liner. Still a little bit moist here, so I'm just going to lay it around the fire. Oops. And let it dry out a while. I want to dry my shoes beside the fire, and the important thing is that you don't put them too close to the fire. I put my shoe near to the fire, but still far enough away that nothing happens to the shoe, and also I put my laces at the inside of the shoe. And yeah, it's important to have dry feet, and if you walk around with wet feet like all of the day, you can get a trench foot, and that's really painful, and that's what you want to avoid at all costs. The water is still cold in May. Okay, enough. It hurts, but it's really healthy, really good for the veins and everything. You should do it every day. The great thing about such a small fire is that you don't need a lot of firewood. With a small fire you can, have a fire for hours and hours. Today I want to show you my most favorite canteen, which is made from titanium. It's ultra lightweight, and it comes with a canteen cup, and also it comes with the slit here. 3 pieces. I've got this canteen by my sponsor Heavy Cover, and I've gone through quite a lot of canteens, but this is my all-time favorite. I think it has the best quality. It's titanium, so it's pretty lightweight. A lot of people might say, yeah, well, why don't you buy an aluminum canteen set? Well, aluminum is toxic, and I rather drink my water from a non-toxic container. And this here is pure titanium, which is food-grade metal. Now the design just looks like a normal canteen, but the mouth is bigger than usual, and I really like that because then the cleaning is much easier. And one unique feature is the lid, and the cool thing is that most of the lid is titanium as well, and there's only a little bit of a plastic rubber seal which seals off the canteen watertight. And most of the water is not going to touch this small plastic seal. Most of the water is going to touch this surface here and here at the side. And I think that's awesome because I don't like plastic, you know, in my water. So that's really awesome. And the canteen cup has a great size too. I have cooked with this cup a lot of times, and usually I don't cook with my canteen itself because I don't want to get it dirty. And yeah, I just cook with the cup and then I pour water into the canteen and cook the next cup. That's how I've done it a lot of times, especially when it's very, very cold. I've used the canteen as a warm bottle in the night in the sleeping bag, and the lid here decreases the boiling time. It's very well made, and also the lid comes with this small handle here, and when it's getting hot you just take a stick and lift off the lid like this. Now I'm going to make myself a cup of tea. That's my favorite time of the day, when all of the work is done and I have a little bit of spare time to sit by the fire. I just found out something very cool. I have a flashlight here, a small flashlight, and my red Nalgene bottle. And if you stick in your flashlight into this bottle, you have this awesome lantern. Pretty cool. And if you move the water, it looks like a disco light. That's so awesome. Why haven't I had this idea earlier? Wow. I put all of my stuff into the shelter because, you know, in case it's raining, then my stuff won't get wet. But I'm sure it won't rain, so it's going to be okay. Okay folks, so this is it. I'm in my sleeping bag, I'm comfortable, I'm dry, so I'm really looking forward to a good night's sleep. Good night folks. Morning folks. So we went to bed at 11:30 and now it's 6:30 in the morning, and my cameraman woke me up 2 times so I didn't sleep too much. And actually it was really bright in the night because there was the moon, and the moon was so really bright, so I could see this white light here all of the time. Alright folks, so now we are at the end of the journey, and yeah, we want to thank you for watching. It was a pretty awesome trip. Stay tuned till next time. Bye.